Namaste everybody, welcome to my channel. In an AP, the sum of three consecutive terms is 24 and sum of their squares is 194. Find the numbers. Now let the numbers be a minus d, a and a plus d. They have given that sum of these three numbers is equal to 24. Minus d and plus d can be cancelled. A plus a plus a, that is 3a is equal to 24. A is equal to 24 by 3. 3 ones are 3 eights are. A is equal to 8. Now, they have given that sum of their squares, that is a minus d whole square plus a square plus a plus d whole square is equal to 194. A minus d whole square, here we can apply a minus b whole square identity, a square plus d square minus 2ad plus this is a square itself, then a plus d whole square, that is a square plus d square plus 2ad is equal to 194. Plus 2ad and minus 2ad can be cancelled. A square plus a square plus a square, 3a square, d square and d square plus 2d square is equal to 194. Now we know that a is 8, so let us substitute that here. 3 into 8 square plus 2d square is equal to 194. 3 into 8 square is 64 plus 2d square is equal to 194. 64 3s are 192 plus 2d square is equal to 194. Therefore, 2d square is equal to 194 minus 192. 2d square is equal to 194 minus 192 is 2. D square is equal to 2 by 2. Hence, d square is 1. Therefore, d is also equal to 1. A is equal to 8 and d is equal to 1. Then we can write down these three consecutive numbers of the AP. A minus d is 8 minus 1, which is 7. And a is 8 itself. A plus d is 8 plus 1, that is 9. 7, 8, 9. If we add them, we will get 24, which is given for us. And the square of this 7 square, 8 square plus 9 square, which is 49 plus 64 plus 81. If we add them, we will get 194. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again.